Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create smoke and After Effects. Creating smoke and Adobe After Effects can add a dynamic and atmospheric effect to your project. Here's how to create a realistic smoke effect using built-in tools and plugins. So firstly, go to Layer, New, Solid, and create a new solid layer. Make sure it's the same size as your composition. Name this layer Smoke or something similar. Then hit OK. With the solid layer selected, go to Effect, Simulation, CC, Particle World. This will add the particle effect to your layer. And the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the following settings: birth rate, increase or decrease the number of particles; longevity, adjust the lifespan of the particles to make the smoke dissipate more naturally. Now let's go to physics. Velocity, lower the velocity to make the particles move slower, resembling smoke. Inherit velocity to -200. Gravity, decrease the gravity to allow the particles to rise more gently. Resistance, increase this to slow down particle movement, adding a drifting effect. Particle type, change the particle type to a faded spear for a more smoke-like appearance. Adjust bird size and depth size to control the size of the smoke particles as they appear and disappear. Now, in the particle settings, adjust the birth color and death color to a light gray or white for realistic smoke. To soften the edges and make the smoke look more natural, add a Gaussian blur by going to Effect, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian blur. Adjust the blurriness until it looks right. Then play the animation to preview the smoke effect. Make any necessary adjustments to the particle settings, colors, or blur. By following these steps, you can create a realistic smoke effect and After Effects that can be used in various scenarios, from subtle background effects to dramatic foreground elements. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.